Hey y'all, this is Trish's Treasures. I got my coffee and my slippers on, and today I just feel like going outside and having a nature walk. So come on with me. Come on. You hear those birds? Hold on. Showing you guys the sky right now. Holding my phone upside down. Oh, these are so pretty. And my cats, they are following me. Yes, come on. Come on, everyone. Excuse the noise. This bush right here. I'm honestly looking for signs of spring, guys. These are the bushes that usually, have some sort of blossom, but they haven't bloomed yet. We'll get there, guys. We'll get there. We're close. Look at that! We got some buds, guys. We just need a little more time. Let's get a close-up. It was raining yesterday, and I saw these, and I was like, oh shoot, they look so awesome. They call these trumpet flowers, but I looked on Google. They're originally called yellow elders. So they look so pretty. Look at them. We have some more budding right here. There you go. See, this is a sign. Spring is here, guys. It's here. Well, I hope you enjoyed my nature walk, and see you guys soon. Bye.